How to fix DLC files is missing on Fivem. The only troubleshooting step, or the most convenient troubleshooting step for this to be fixed, is to via repair directly from the Fivem client. All I have to do from there to do or to execute a repair is just simply pull up your Rockstar Games client, and then once you've successfully logged in into your account, all you have to do, left portion of your screen, you should see My Library, open up Grand Theft Auto 5, and then access settings, and then from there, just simply choose Verify Integrity. Now, this will be able to scan your game files to verify their integrity and attempt to download and replace any missing or corrupted files. So that's pretty much it. That is how you can fix DLC files is missing on 5M.